Hello everyone, welcome to the Donkey Channel. Those who are subscribed, thanks for watching. Those that aren't subscribed, hey, get subscribed, okay? You want to see this pretty little girl, this pretty lady right here, Taylor? Look at her. You guys won't see exotic donkeys like this nowhere, all right? Most donkeys you see have that short little mane right there. You see that little short mane? All right. This is my exotic donkey, Taylor. Taylor's mane is long. She got a long mane, okay? You could like braid this thing right here. If I wanted to braid it, I could braid it. Right, Taylor? I could braid it if I wanted to braid it. Taylor is always coming around, getting loved on, getting her lovins. And I'm happy to give it to her. Look who's getting jealous. Look who's jealous. Uh-oh. Ladies, one at a time, okay? She's like, no, what's she doing? I can tell her. She's so patient and well behaved, but she respects her space. Don't get in her space, because I don't know what she's gonna do. You know, right now, Nikki is the more aggressive one because she has her baby. But once Taylor has her baby, whoa, watch out, guys. Watch out. She's gonna be more aggressive. Okay? Huh? What do you got to say? What do you got to say? Baby Dunk. Hi. Hello. Uh-oh. Getting a little rain now. A little drizzle. Little drizzle jazzle. Alright. Come on, Taylor. We're gonna open the side up over here. Alright. Taylor, I think you could ride Taylor. You can easily lead Taylor, put her harness on her, put all her things on her. She'll go wherever you want her to go. Whatever you want, as long as you treat her good, you feed her, you always be nice to her. She enjoys it. This is Taylor, the exotic fluffy donkey here, guys, okay? The long hair donkey. Not like the regular donkeys. No, she's not painted, but she is a fluffy girl. She has long eyelashes, longer eyelashes, I think, right? And she has like longer whiskers here too. Longer whiskers, longer. Look how pretty she is. Look how pretty she is. All right, come on, Taylor. Let's go. Taylor, come on. Come on, Taylor. All right. Starting to drizzle down over here now, guys. I got everybody has their corn out. Everyone has the corn. It's out there. Okay. But let's talk about small farming out here, guys. You know, you gotta fight this inflation. You gotta be rotational grazing or something. You know, I have a small farm here, so animals have a common area, and then I have these two little paddock parts over here where they can go in there. They can go in them, and they can eat the grass in there or do their thing over there. You know, I switch it or try to rotate it every week, just to let the grass grow. But there, it is heavy manure out here, guys. Look, see, I told you I told Taylor to come with me, and look, Taylor came. Taylor came, man. She is like, what? What you want me to do? Taylor will come. Okay, all the food is up there, guys. All the food it's up there. Alright, I'm just... I don't know who that is, but try to say hi to all the neighbors. I don't know who they are. I don't know, I'm just being neighborly. Just being neighborly, doing a neighborly thing. Alright. That's Baby Donk right there. Baby Donk is slowly but surely taking over this place here, guys. Alright, we got this piece of wood over. Let's put this piece of wood over here now. It's a shipping pallet with nails hanging out on it. Oh gosh. Okay. Lulu, look at her. She's here. Like, I'm here first. Please. Please, sir. Alright, guys. I'm opening it up now. Alright, not everybody got once. Okay. Take it easy. Look at them. It is raining now, guys. It is raining, but I opened up their little pasture. So they like to rub on the gate. Oh man. Oh, God. I need to put the gate somewhere where if they rub on it, it's kind of might hurt them right there. Wanted to zip tie that. What is that over there? Some garbage? So I asked myself, like, how does this garbage just get into these pastures here? I'm not putting this garbage in here. It's not mine. It's not my garbage. But you see, we got a little bit of growth, regrowth back. Slim is here like, hey, what's going on? Can I come in, Grace? Right, so that's one of the ways that you know, you can help with your feed costs, you know, by just opening up different pastures, guys. I opened up, I think, 2 acres over here. It's raining hard. Let me get under this tree. All right, they're getting tons of food in here. Okay, I would say at least like a ton. At least like a ton. There's leaves, there's foliage, there's different things going on in here. So they can come in here, there's new growth, they get in here. And look, this is feed costs that I don't have to, it's not coming out of my pocket. This is just nature. I closed the next pasture over there. Now it's getting some rest as the rains come. Right now I'm under this tree getting wet. If that's what I'm hearing, heavy rains is coming, guys. A heavy rain is coming. I can actually see it. I can see there's like a heavier rain, and it's going that way. So as you can see, we have new growth in here. All the animals are nibbling. Look at Cowboy and Christina. That's Megan's babies right there. We got Brittany over here. Okay. Look at Slim over there scratching himself. Look at him. Look at his face. He's always scratching himself, man. But I'm telling him, like, hey, I'll let me rub your head for you, bro. I got you. He doesn't want it. Okay. So I left this little paddock open here. Something for them to eat. The hay store is closed today. So it is raining out here, guys. You guys are catching the Donkey Channel live. We got some of the sheep over here, and the rest of them are over there. Okay. Who's missing? Chloe and Haley. They're over there. I just saw Rambo. He just went inside the shelter. Huh? Stand under a limb here. You stand under a limb. You don't get wet. This is the rain here in South Florida here, guys. Pretty hopefully soon. I see like the skies might be opening up over there. So hopefully we can get back. Baby donk. Baby dog is doing great over here. This pasture over here, I want to like fence it off just so I could, do the same thing that I do over here. Just for the top part of the mountain up there. Put another little fence. And then they have all this grass over here. Seems to have grown a little bit. Let's put you guys down. See. They have it. How much growth we have here. We have a little bit of growth. But look wherever I go. Taylor. She knows her name, I think. Taylor. Come here, baby. Come here, Taylor. The other sheep are coming now. These bones right here, this is like from the poultry. From a bird I used to have, a turkey. And it got killed. And the remains are still out here. Okay. This is the live donkey channel network right here, guys. This is it. You're gonna get donkeys, you're gonna get sheep. This is amazing. Grazers. Look at these grazers out here. They're gonna do their thing out here, guys. Alright. The grass looks good. Even this is just 1 week of them. Up there it looks pretty grassy. I need to drop some more hay over here. Right over there. Maybe I could bring the grass back. Yeah. The baby donk right here. See that? Baby donk is eating grass. You guys see his thing? Look at Gucci over here. They're all just out here doing their thing, guys. Okay. They're gonna be out here grazing this pasture down. They'll probably have it down in maybe 2 days, 2 to 3 days, tops. All right. It's the Donkey Channel. We got Big Slim there. And there's 2 ladies there. We got Nikki and Taylor. Gucci is way away from his mom, as usual. As usual, he's always out here doing his own thing. Louie's all the way over there. Megan's 2 kids, they're kind of, they're not too close to their mom either. Huh? Alright, Everyone's over here competing for food. So, oh, you got a good grazing spot? Oh, I'm gonna get your spot. You know, you get your own spot. Everyone has got to get their own spot. So at least everyone has some fresh grass for them. I don't feel too bad. I don't feel too bad. Animals get to graze. Alright, so they're gonna go over there to the other side of the hill and eat the grass over there on that side too. Alright. We're gonna do some upgrades. We can do some upgrades for 2023. 2024, excuse me. 2023 is over. What's he doing? He's going to check her out. Alright guys, thanks for watching.